Hello guys, welcome to iTutor. Today we will start with the new chapter that is ICT, Information and Communication Technology. In first paper, it's very important. It's first of all we will discuss the common abbreviation and terminology in information and communication technology. One question is must from this part. Terminology is important. So we will start with that. Terminologies, it's a common computer abbreviations. One by one we will discuss. First one is AGP. It's an accelerated graphic port. And PC is a personal computer. And EPROM, it's erasable programmable read only memory. And BIOS, it is basic input and output system. HDD, it's a hard disk drive. And PCI, it's a peripheral component interconnect. And UNIBAC, it's a universal automatic computer. And GUI, it's a graphic user interface. USB, universal serial bus. And VGA, it's a visual graphic adapter. MAN, it's a metropolitan area network. ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. And WAN, it's wide area network. EBCDIC, it's extended binary coded decimal interchange code. LAN, it's LAN, local area network. And EEPROM or EAPROM, it's electrical erasable or alterable programmable read only memory. CPU, it's a central processing unit. OS is an operating system. We already all of you know the operating system. ALU is the arithmetic and logic unit. And DVD, it's a digital versatile disk. DVD all of you know. And CD also know, compact disk. ROM, read only memory. VDU is a visual display unit. RAM is a random access memory. ICT, Information Communication Technology, that's our name of our chapter, ICT. And nowadays all communication and all classes are going on the platform of digital. So the role of information communication technology is very important nowadays in the higher education level also. So teachers and students are handling through their higher education materials also through the platform of technology only, digital technology only. And PROM, it's a programmable read only memory. URL, it's a uniform resource locator. IDE, integrated drive electronics. FORTRAN, it's a formula translator. And MOS, it's a meta oxide semiconductor. ATX, advanced technology extended. SIM, it's a subscriber identification module. MHZ, megahertz. And ISP, it's an internet service provider. GHZ is a gigahertz. DBMS, it's a database management system. SQL is a structured query language. RW, rewritable. SDT is a serial data transmission. CAN is a campus area network. And SIMMS, single inline memory module. PAN is a personal area network. And LAN, already we saw LAN is a local area network, like that only PAN is a personal area network. DIMMS is a dual inline memory module. And the CMOS, complementary metal oxide semiconductor. ENIAC, electronic number integrator and calculator. CMD is a command. And EDSAC, it's electronic dialogue storage automatic computer. And MAC, it's a media access control. IC is an integrated circuit. LSIC is a large scale integrated circuit. And DIR, directory. And GIGO and GIGO, it's a garbage in garbage out. PHP is a PHP hypertext processor. And DOC is a document PDT is a parallel data transmission. PD is a personal digital assistant, and USSD unstructured supplementary service data, and WWW it's a World Wide Web. COBOL Common Basic Oriented Language. CCNP is a Cisco Certified Network Professionals, and BASIC Basic is a beginner all purpose symbolic instruction code. CEH Certified Ethical Hacking. TCP Transmission Control Protocol. CSS as a cascading style sheet. CISCO Computer Information System Company. XSS is a cross-site scripting. XML is a extensible markup language. HTML is a hypertext markup language, and CCNA is a Cisco Certified Network Associate. And RFI is a remote file inclusion. HTTP is a hypertext transfer protocol, and DDoS is a distribution denial of service. VPN is a virtual private network. SEO is a search engine optimization. IP is the internet protocol. And next we will discuss the operating system and data storage base. This is a common abbreviation related to information and communication technology. Now we will discuss related to operating system. BIOS is the basic input output system. Basic input output system which controls the computer, telling it what operation to perform, and these instructions are on a chip that connect to the motherboard. Okay, that is BIOS. And byte is a storage unit for data, and K is for kilobyte, which is 1024 bytes. Okay, it's a storage unit. Byte is a storage unit for data, and MB is a megabyte, which is million bytes, and GB is a gigabyte, which equal to 1000 megabytes. So CPU, this stands for the central processing unit of the computer. This is like the computer's brain. And MAC, this is an abbreviation for Macintosh, that is which is type of personal computer made by Apple Computer Company, that is Mac. And OS is the operating system of computer. It is a main program that runs on a computer and begins automatically when the computer is turned on. And PC this is abbreviation of personal computer. It refers to computers that are IBM compatible. And PDF, it's a represent the portable document format, which is display file in a format that is ready for the web. And RAM is this is stand for random access memory, which is the space inside the computer that can be accessed at one time. If you increase the amount of RAM, then you will increase the computer speed. This is because more of a particular program is able to be loaded at one time. And ROM is the read only memory, which is the instruction for the computer and cannot be altered. And VGA is the video graphic array, is system for displaying graphic. It was developed by IBM. And SIWYG, this is initialism standard for what you see is what you get. It is pronounced Visvik, and basically means that the printer will print what you see on your monitor. That is Visvik. Okay, and you remember this all abbreviations. You can put some code or something for your or your own way. That's only do, because anyway one question must from this part. And some words connecting to internet network. Okay, that is FTP. This is a service called file transport protocol, which moves a file between computers using the internet. And HTML, and it's a hypertext markup language format information, so it can be transported on the internet. HTTP, it's a hypertext transfer protocol, is a set of instruction for the software that controls the movement of file on the internet. IP, it stands for internet protocol, which is the set of rules that govern the system connected to the internet. IP address is a digital code specific to each computer that is hooked up to the internet. And ISP is the internet service provider, is a company which provides internet service. So you can connect your computer to the internet. It's an internet service provider. It's LAN. LAN is stand for local area network, which is a servers that your computer connect to in your geographic area. That is LAN. It's a local area network. PPP, triple P, it's point to point protocol. Is the set of rule that allow your computer to use the internet protocols using a phone line and modem. That is triple P. And URL is a uniform resource locator, which is the path to a certain file on the world wide web. WWW, that is world wide web. And USB is a universal serial bus, is used for communications between certain devices. It can connect keyboards, cameras, printers, mice, flash drives, and other devices. Its use has expanded from personal computers to PDAs, smartphones, and video games, and is used as a power cord to connect devices to a wall outlet to charge them. And VR is a virtual reality, simulates a three-dimensional scene on the computer and has the capability of interaction. This is widely used in gaming. And VR ML is there. It's a virtual reality markup language, allows the display of 3D image. Okay, so these are the abbreviations, and next video onwards we will start the topic that is communication technology. We already discussed once. It's for IGNOU assistant exam. Some of the parts are same in paper 1. The specific information I will discuss from next video onwards. So first of all, you just familiarize with the abbreviations. Some of you may, it's very easy because those who are using internet, computer daily base, and also in engineering background, they have their own easy way to remember these things and also familiar. And other students, some of you may face some problems about the abbreviation related to ICT technology, so I think it will helpful for them. So just revise it and do like our video, and if you have any doubts, you can mail on itutor.com@gmail.com. So subscribe our channel. Thank you.